All right, classification of alkanol. All right, classification of alkanols. Now we see the classification there. We see alkanols divided into two classes: monohydric alkanols and polyhydric alkanols. Under monohydric alcohols, you have the primary alcohol, the secondary alcohol. Let me zoom in so you see, and the tertiary alcohol. All right. Monohydric means monohydric alcohols are alcohols that have only one OH group bonded to the alkyl group, only one OH group. While polyhydric alcohols, they have two or three. All right. So when they have two OH group bonded to the alkyl groups, they are called dihydric alcohols. And when they have three OH groups bonded to the alkyl groups, they are called trihydric alcohols. Example of primary alcohols, you can see there we have ethanol. We see the diagram. Then secondary alcohols, you have propan-1-ol. Tertiary alcohols, you have 2-methyl-propan-2-ol. Or I'll show you all the diagrams. You see them properly when we start naming compounds. Just take note of those examples. Then for dihydric alcohols, you have ethane-1,2-diol. And for trihydric alcohols, you have propane-1,2-triol, also called glycerol. Okay, now monohydric alcohols, okay, they are alcohols, like I said earlier, with one hydroxyl group in the molecule. The first three members differ. Okay, the first three members of the family are, we have methanol, commonly known as wood spirit. All right, that's CH3OH, ethanol, C2H5OH, or better still, write it CH3. After you want to write a straight chain compound, you start from CH3. CH3 bonded to CH2 and then OH. Then you have propanol. Methanol or wood spirit is obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. Take note of that. That's a Jamb question you have there. Also a Waec question you have there. It is obtained by the destructive distillation of wood. What is destructive distillation of wood? It simply means burning wood in the absence of oxygen, or burning wood in the absence of air. Classes of monohydric alcohols or classes of monohydric alkanols. If you want to call it alcohol, no problem. If you want to call it alkanols, no problem. Like I said earlier on, I said monohydric alkanols are classified into three: primary, tertiary, and secondary. All right. Now look at the diagrams, the structure. That's what I want you to see. Look at the structure of the primary alkanol. Can you see? If you check, you have two hydrogen atoms bonded to the carbon atom. Okay, look at primary alkanol. Can you see the carbon? You have two hydrogen atoms bonded to the carbon atom. Secondary alkanol, you have just one hydrogen atom bonded to the carbon atom and two alkyl groups. That are there, you're seeing there is any alkyl group. It can be any alkyl group, any alkyl group, any alkyl group. Are you seeing the difference now? For primary alkanol, you have two hydrogen atoms bonded to the carbon group and one alkyl group. For secondary alkanol, you have one hydrogen atom bonded to the carbon atom, also then bonded also to two alkyl groups. While for tertiary, you have no hydrogen atom bonded to the carbon atom, and you have three alkyl groups. Can you see? Three alkyl groups. Three alkyl groups. So that's the difference in their structures and the difference between them. The difference between them.